Okay, Venn diagrams. Let's start with numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Venn diagrams are sort of easy, sort of not easy. One option is to put numbers into categories. So let's go, we're looking at odd numbers and multiples of 3. Okay, so we're going to put these numbers in the circles that they need. So the number 1 is odd. The number 2, well, it's not odd and it's not a multiple of 3, so it's outside. So there's the 1, there's the 2. 3 is actually odd and a multiple of 3. 4 is not odd or a multiple of 3. 5 is odd. 6 is nothing. 7 is odd. 8 is out. 9 is a multiple of 3 and odd. Oh my gosh, how easy is that? See that number 6? Number 6 is a multiple of 3. There we go. There's 9 and 10 is out. In sets, we have this thing called xi, which is the universal set, and that stands for how many pieces of data in that set. So in that top right-hand corner, we've got 10 numbers here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. Okay, that was okay, wasn't it? That wasn't too bad. Bad enough, but anyway. Textbook, for some reason, seems to like prime number questions. I will never put a prime number question in a normal test because kids just get so confused with what a prime number is. Let's do the same thing. Odd, a multiple of 3, prime. Yep, okay. So 1. Unfortunately, 1 is not a prime number. It is not a composite number. It's a special number, but it's definitely odd. So 1 goes in there. That's the reason I don't put prime number questions in, because it doesn't really matter, does it? Who cares? Number 2. 2 is a prime number. 3 is odd and it's prime, and it's a multiple of 3. So it's got to go in the centre there. 4's not prime. There we go. It's not odd and it's not a multiple of 3. 5 is prime. 6 is a multiple of 3. 7 is prime. 8 is nothing. 9 is a multiple of 3 and it's odd, but it's not prime. Yep. So it can't go in the middle because it's not prime. So we just got to be very careful where we put it and where does 10 go. 10's nothing. So if we look at it, we've got 2, 5 and 7 are all prime, but they're not odd and not multiples of 3. 1 is just odd. It's not a multiple of 3 and it's not prime. 6 is just a multiple of 3. It's not odd and it's not prime. 9 is odd and a multiple of 3, but not prime. And 3 is all 3. Okay, so that was fun. Let's see if we can do a different style. I'm in class Whoops, that was a little bit dodgy, but anyway. Let's just say I've got 20 kids in my class. Hey, put your hand up if you like maths, if maths is the only subject you like. One person puts their hand up. Oh, okay, that was me. English, put your hand up if you really, really love English and English is the only subject that you like. 3 kids put their hand up. Put your hand up if you like maths and English. 2 people. Now that's it. But I've got 20 kids in my class. So how many kids did not put their hand up? I've got 14 out there. So 14 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals my 20. So that can be a Venn diagram on who likes maths and English. And from that Venn diagram, I could say, what is the probability that out of my class of 20 that I randomly select someone that likes maths? So I'm going to go probability equals, my wanted outcomes is who likes maths? How many kids like maths? 3 kids like maths, and there's 20 kids in my class. I'll squeeze another one in. I'll do it in a different colour because I'll just make that smaller. Okay. What about the probability that you like maths or English? Again, it's a Venn diagram, so it's WOPO. I know there's 20 kids in the class, and I just want to get rid of that red one. There we go. So maths or English, all the people who put their hand up for either maths or English is all of that. So that would be a 6 out of 20, 3 out of 10. So you can see once you got your Venn diagram, getting your probabilities from them is just WOPO. Nice and easy. The textbook, give it a go. Give some of them a go. It's not really necessary for grade 8, but in grade 9 they just get hard. So if you do a couple this year, that will make next year a bit easier. Thank you. Go practice.